Hi, Siraj Dawar here. Hope you're fine and doing well. If you love this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Let's start. I'm going to display you men little by little the way to make $1,000 in step with day on YouTube without absolutely making or recording the motion pictures. So this is going to be step by means of step, educational with sparkling new techniques. So if you need to peer greater films like this, ensure to press that subscribe button, because I am going to reveal you guys nowadays, step through step, how to do it, and I'm also going to show you men little by little some of the channels which can be doing it that are making over $1,000 per day. So in case you want to see greater films like this, simply make sure to press that subscribe button. So to reveal you guys a number of the residents of the channels right here, you may see this channel is actually getting from 1 factor for thousands and thousands million perspectives consistent with day to 1 factor 1.7 million views in keeping with day. So this definitely in keeping with day perspectives, and they're making from, shall we say, from $3 to $7 4,000 perspectives. So shall we embrace their most effective, making $3? However, I'm going to expose you men why these channels make way extra than 3 greenbacks. However, we're going to lowball it. So 1 million, shall we embrace send and abuse divided via 1,000. So these channels are making 5,100 greenbacks in keeping with day each single day. So I am going to reveal you guys the way to do it step with the aid of steps. So initially, these are some of the examples that I have found to reveal you guys. So the motive why I am showing you guys B is because you don't really want to report those movies. You don't really need to do something unique. So the types of the films that I am going to reveal you men, the way to do is something associated with song. So I am going to show you men how you can get song without copyright and use them at no cost, and the way you may create motion pictures like this. And right here you can see the channel that I have proven you guys that is getting hundreds of thousands of views per day. This channel has 3 million subscribers, and they are importing these movies that you may make in much less than 30 minutes. So it is definitely simple to do, and I'm going to reveal you guys step by way of step how to do it. So another channel that you could take a look at and see how they're running is this channel. Additionally, so it's also huge channel, and they may be they're getting much less perspectives, but they are nevertheless making over 1,000 right here. You can see 400 perspectives in a day free, honey, without 1,000 views in an afternoon. So let's have a look at if they're getting 3 greenbacks in line with 1,000 perspectives. They are making over $1,000, but I stated that I am lowballing the numbers. They may be making matter greater than that. So let's see how you could do it and how you can create those type of channels to get this kind of perspective. So initially, what I advise you guys is, if you don't have a YouTube channel, just create a brand new one. And that I realize 99 of you guys already have a YouTube channel, but I need to mention that for that 1%. So create a sparkling new YouTube channel if you do not have one, and begin making those motion pictures. So step 2 is open Writer Studio while you create your YouTube channel. So I am going to show you men how you could open that create a studio. So just click on your icon right here on account and open Innovative Writer Studio. Next aspect, you are going to see a web page like this. So you are going to scroll right here and you will click on different features. So whilst you see those other features, click on audio library proper right here. So click on that. So right here you could find heaps of tune that you may truly use for unfastened on your YouTube channel. So this is the YouTube is presenting you with a loose song that you could use without spending a dime for your YouTube channel. However, I'm going to reveal you men how you can additionally do it. So right here, in case you click as an example on this tune proper right here, they say you're free to apply this tune and monetize your video. So they may be giving you guys those songs totally free, that you can clearly use them to your YouTube channel. So we have been seeking out enjoyable tunes. So a way to locate enjoyable song I'm going to show you guys. So Permits, click on preferred, and let's consider this one in mood. Let it come so to show you men a number of the examples of the sound, music, so that is just one of the examples. You may see there are tons and lots of different track, but just to reveal you guys something that you don't want to make a mistake. So when you see this mark, proper right here, innovative common, so that means when you click at the sound you need to consist of this for your description. So the proprietors of this kind of track are asking you to submit this in description whilst you use their track, but because they want a few type of merchandising that manner, so you want to virtually, if you want to use it, for instance this music proper here or this song right here, so that you can see this mark right here. So this sound doesn't right here, so you don't want to do it. You may just download this music via clicking the download button, but whilst you, however, when you see this innovative commonplace, you want certainly to replicate this proper here, so you want to duplicate this right here and paste it for your description of the video. So right here you could see there are some of this music are shorter, and number of them are way, you can see that is way longer sound, so it is 24 minutes, so that you can look for. In reality there's a few of those songs with, let's say, 24 minutes, and you may create like 10-hour films. So I am going to reveal you men what you need to do with this sort of movies. So as I said, click on. In any other case, we've got shown you guys that the way to do it, and whilst you locate the songs which you are looking for, simply click on, as I said, on download button. So you simply click on right here and you're downloading this sound. So the following component that I'm going to expose you men is you need to head on and splash.com. So the purpose why I said what you need to head on Splash is due to the fact those sort of movies have, as an example, this view has a few image proper right here, and that they have tune in history. So this video is terrible hour long, and that they have this picture because humans aren't right here to observe the video, they're right here to listen. So this is why I advise to move on and splash in. You may here download some of the pictures that you may use for free, so you're now not going to get copyright strike or something like that, because those are free pics without copyright strike. So right here you may see free pictures, so you can and something you want to, you may say wallpaper, and you can take a number of these sort of images. So let's say this one, and you can put this music inside the background, and you could make this sort of video. It's a 4-hour lengthy. So men, if you need to support me in any manner, just click that like button. This is how you are going to help me for making those kind of videos and presenting you guys with this type of data. So if you cannot press that like button, that could be very significant for me. So the subsequent component is you need to create. Now you have got this image that we have observed. You hi there, let's see this one, so that you have the, or perhaps we cannot use that one because we need permits. Say this one, so we have image and we have song that we've got determined that we want to apply. So you want to find exceptional songs here which are longer. Let's say this one is half hour, so that you want to combine them and create. Like I did not know if you could see, this is a loose hour-long video. This video is a 2-hour long. This video is 4-hour lengthy, so that you want to make surely truly long motion pictures, due to the fact I am going to explain you men who I want to create these long movies later. So we've got found the whole thing, and if you don't, you guys do not know how to edit those kind of videos, how to just position the photo and position the song in historical past, I suppose 99 of you men already understand that. However, if you do not know it, just go away, comment down underneath which you want to appear, shall we say, part of this video, wherein I am going to show you men step by means of step how to do it. So make certain to press that like button and depart a remark down under which you need to see how to edit this kind of movies. So the following thing is I'm going to present you men some tips and hints why you want longer motion pictures. So the first aspect is when you have a longer video. As an instance, this video is 4-hour lengthy, you are going to have way more watch time, so people are going to stay with your sound, they're going to pay attention for a long term. And the cause why that is ideal for you guys is due to the fact YouTube goes to see that human beings are watching your video, shall we say, they're no longer certainly looking, however we are going to say that they are looking your videos, and the watch time is clearly excessive. So that means that YouTube is going to endorse and sell your video because people are locating what they're seeking out. So I suppose that breaking, let's say for our 10-hour long video, would be clearly virtually top because you are going to have honestly excessive watch time. So this is something that is sincerely important in your YouTube channel and manner many stuff I am going to expose you men. Additionally, so second element why want longer videos is you are going to attain that 4,000 watch time, 4,000 hours watch time sincerely faster, so you can reach that. If people watch, let's see 4,000 human beings watch 4,000 hours, so anybody watch for 1 hour, you're going to attain that 4,000 watch time. Additionally, the longer motion pictures you may place more commercials, so which means for you, if you have, let's consider I am going to say 5-minute video, you may reach in best 1 advert to your video. However, if you have longer than 10-minute video, you can place what number of our ads you want to. I mean, you've got a, let's consider 10-hour long video, you may plant you could area like I assume 1,000 commercials or something like that, so you can go with some loopy quantities of that during your motion pictures. In that manner, you're going to earn way manner greater than each channel. So the cause why when I showed you guys this channel proper right here, I stated that they are making $3, but I stated that they may be making way greater than $3. And the motive why is that they have like 4-hour, 5-hour, 7-hour movies on the way to location, many ads, and you may see this channel hung on almost 1 billion views. So you able to can't even believe how a good deal cash they're making from those kind of channels. So as I stated the component, and additionally to provide you guys some suggestions, guidelines, and hints, you are going to say how to call my movies, so you all will continually want to include this, launch the enjoyable music, and you want to go on YouTube and simply kind enjoyable tunes. So you're going to search for as many films as you can, and you are going to take some guidelines and tricks what definitely they use of their titles, so that you can see this type of those type of films that are getting a few loopy quantities of perspectives. So right here you can see you can make this video in less than 30 minutes in this manner, has 21 million perspectives. So that is some crazy quantities that you can clearly attain with these sort of motion pictures. I'm no longer saying that when you put up this video you're going to get tons and tons of views from day one, which isn't what I am announcing. I am simply pronouncing that there are a few channels which might be making manner way lots cash this manner, and am without a doubt attempting to get started with this method right now. So I desired to proportion with you men this approach before I do it, due to the fact there is the area for everybody to try this technique. So guys, additionally to when you attain 4,000 hours watch time, and once you attain 1,000 subscribers, you can absolutely make cash from heads. So perhaps that could be a little bit, you are going to think that 4,000 hours watch time is something that is clearly hard, but I'm going to say that it's far sincerely clean, due to the fact you have lengthy films and you've got a massive marketplace in which human beings are in reality searching for these type of sounds. I clearly like to play a number of those sounds when I'm operating, so this is something I definitely like. I've listened a few of those sounds, as you can see, due to the fact I actually like paying attention to this when I'm working. So guys, that could be it for trendy video. As I said, in case you need extra films like this, make certain to press that like and subscribe video. And additionally, if you need to study extra on the way to make money on YouTube, in case you want step-by-step guardians from starting to the cease, and if you want to see how I'm making over 27,000 greenbacks according to month with a small, certainly small YouTube channel that has something over 20,000 1,000 subscribers, make certain also to test out my direction. I am going to reveal you guys the entirety from a way to create YouTube channel to the way to monetize YouTube channel to get perspectives, how to optimize your search engine optimization for views and greater. So make certain to check that out. The link might be in description of this video. Thank you.